guys, I'm Dhwani and I create content related to lifestyle on my YouTube and fashion and lifestyle on my Instagram. And welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out Pinterest Girl Lifestyle for 24 hours. Pinterest is my comfort app. The aesthetics, the morning routine, and everything on Pinterest is just so my vibe, and everything is just put together. But is everything actually realistic? So today I'm going to test it. I have picked a few Pinteresty habits and we are going to try that out for 24 hours. So let's see how this goes. So my morning wasn't as aesthetic as it is always on Pinterest or like Pinterest girly or that girl morning. It was quite chill actually. I woke up, I quickly got fresh and I woke up a bit late today. So I directly went to my badminton classes. Okay, so hear me out. Sporty can be aesthetic too. And recently I've been going to badminton every single weekend. I thought that let's dress up a bit aesthetic or maybe a bit sporty. So my outfit was both that girl and sport girly, and honestly just moving your body is so damn important. I have seen Pinterest girlies do Pilates, and since I did not have like any Pilates classes nearby to me, so I thought that I usually go badminton, just let's make it Pinteresty and cutesy and girly. So that's what I did. Hi cutie, so I am back from my quick badminton session. It wasn't that quick. I played for almost 2 hours and it was so good. And I took a quick shower. I washed my hair. I'm wearing my comfortable pajama set. It is so cute. I have to do my skincare. I thought let's do it with you because I have a new skincare routine now. I have changed couple of products, so let me show it to you. So this is my new skincare routine. The first step is to use this rice water toner. It is so good, and the products which I'm recently using have helped my skin so much. Like, it's just glowing. It's just flat, it's glowing, and it's, I don't know, a bit bright according to me, not so sure. Next is this serum. This is L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Brightening Serum. So I got this in PR and I am obsessed with this product. Firstly, because it's pink in color and the product itself is pink. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but the product itself is pink and this actually has helped my skin a lot. So we're just going to use that. Lastly, I'm going to use this Hyphens glowing some serum, some golden hour serum. This is so damn good. Again, I got this in PR. I ran out of that bottle. This is my second bottle. I think I'm almost done with this bottle as well, and I'm going to repurchase it again because this is so damn good. See guys, I'm literally like, I do not have any more of this, so I think whatever has come out will just make work. Lastly, my lip oil. I try not to use, guys, if you can see it's leaking a bit, so I'm just going to use that. I love this product, but I don't like that this one is leaking as well. I mean, I think the packaging should be better, but I love the product. So this was for my face. For my hair, I'm just going to use two products. One is hair serum and the other is rosemary water. So these are the two products. So the rosemary water is from Elf's Goodness. I got it in PR, but it works fine for me. I use the wrong bottle. So I have two bottles. This one, I don't know, somehow it leaks. If you guys can see, it's like it's dripping. I think it's me, or the product's packaging is really poor. I think probably it's me because somehow all of my products have some packaging issues. I think maybe I have done something to it. And by the way, there's this press button thing that you have to click for the product to, work. I'm going to apply this hair serum from Livon. I again got it in PR, so I have been using it and it works. It works well. So Also, you guys, I took an everything shower today and it feels so good. I feel so therapeutic. I mean, all doing all this, like doing all this makes me like really happy and like at peace, at calm. So maybe I think you guys should also try it once. It's so good. My my skin feels good, my mood is good, everything is super good. So I totally recommend it. So after skincare, I went to the bank for my father's work, and I think it's been 2 hours or so. Currently, I am super hungry, so I'm going to make matcha for myself. मुझे एक पीआर में आया था matcha का tin आया था. I don't have oat milk, so I'm just going to use a regular milk. And to eat, I'm going to make yogurt bowl. This is the matcha that I had got from the brand called Vadam, and I have never tasted it ever from this particular brand. But I have tried their green tea, and it is so damn good. So I'm just wishing that this will be good as well. So guys, firstly, I do not have like any sort of equipments needed to make a matcha. I do not have that brush thingy or anything. So I am just going to make do with whatever I have. So I have this whisk at home. I think I'll just use this to make like the M or W, whatever it is called. And we are going to make ourselves some matcha. So let's go. Here's my matcha, and here's a little snack for me. And I also have some grapes with me. I just found them in the fridge. The matcha does not look that good in color, and plus it's giving me the mehndi feels. I don't want to try it, but since I've already made it at home, I think I should. Wish me luck. Hmm.
It does not taste like matcha for sure. It definitely tastes like mehendi. If you've ever smelled mehendi in your life, the powder mehendi in your life, it is exactly like that. So I'm sorry, but I don't think that I'll be able to drink this. And I'm really sorry, guys. I really wanted to have like some really good matcha, but I think the brand that I am using is not good at all. So I'm sorry. I know wasting food and all is not good.
I'm just going to have this yogurt bowl. I did not again have enough fruits and all. This is so good. Even if like there's no fruit or anything in it, I know this is the best thing. I'm watching The Big Bang Theory currently. I'm obsessed with that show. So I'm just going to enjoy my yogurt bowl and watch The Big Bang Theory. So Pinterest work setup is immaculate. And I always wonder like do people really work like this? So I've like created like a little bit of mood over here. I'm just going to sit and going to journal a little bit because I did not have a chance to journal in the morning. So that's what I'll be doing. Nothing major. It's just like a brain dump of, whatever I just feel like writing. I'm going to manifest. I'm going to practice my gratitude. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, so this is my diary. This is where like I write all my content creation part. Like I will write all my scripts down or whatever it is. This is the book that's always on me. And also recently my sister got this book. This book is By Yourself the Damn Flowers, and I can't wait to read this book. It's all about self love and all. Pink in color, so I love it. So I think I'm going to give this a try. Again, I'm not someone who reads books daily or whatever, but since it's pink, it's about self love, and I think I should read this book today. So one thing that I've noticed on Pinterest is that the girls are dressed so beautifully, like they're just walking out of a French restaurant or a French cafe. and I really want that for me. And even if they are at home, they're like dressed super cute. So today I chose this comfy pajama set for myself to wear at home, and honestly it made me feel so good. Usually I would just wear some random shorts and top, and but today like wearing a matching, outfit or pajama set is so helpful. Okay, so my sister will literally be here in some time, and I have to select an outfit for myself because we are going to a cafe to do some editing, because I need to edit a YouTube video and schedule it as soon as possible. So I'll go there. I need to edit a video. I need to make a thumbnail. I need to create a description for the video. I need to search for hashtags, for tags, and whatnot. So we are going to do that. Also for Instagram, I have literally just started to post branded content, and nothing organic has been going up on my page. So we are going to select an outfit for myself. Also, guys, don't judge, but cupboard is complete mess. Oh god. I think we'll see from my sister's closet, because I always wear something from her closet and never from mine. So this is stressful. Finding an outfit is so damn stressful. I think I should like just hire myself a stylist or maybe someone, because literally finding an outfit every single day has become a major task. And I always like check my cupboard and my sister's side, and I always cry for like 30 minutes to search for an outfit. Not cry, matlab, you guys, girls, you understand, right? And I want to dress up super cute, because all the Pinterest girlies out there are like dressing up so cute, and I want to just create a vibe for like editing my videos. And since this is like living like a Pinterest girly for like 24 hours sort of thing, I should definitely wear something huge. Okay, you know what? I'll just select an outfit and I'll be back in some time. Okay, so I have finally selected an outfit. I'm going to wear this cutie white spaghetti top with my linen pants, these olive green linen pants, and I think it will look super cute. So see you guys. Do let me know in the comments below if you would try this out for a day, or you already live a Pinteresty life. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.